Hi boys and girls, so sorry about the mess up. Here is week 21, Tangy Tuesday. One down is 3, T-H-R-E-E. 2 down is 1, O-N-E. 3 down is hundredths, H-U-N-D-R-E-D-T-H-S. 4 down is 12, T-W-E-L-V-E. And 7 down is 6, S-I-X. And then going across, 4 across is 10, T-E-N. 5 across is 90, N-I-N-E-T-Y. 6 across is 40, F-O-R-T-Y. 7 across is 70, S-E-V-E-N-T-Y. And 8 across is less, L-E-S. For snake, it should be 40, 70, 7, 42, 54, 9, 54, 27, 9, 81, 16, 8, 56. The second puzzle is 45, 12, 6, 24, 32, 8, 40, 14, 7, 21, 24, 8, and 64. For Numtanga, it's 7/8, 4/5, 3/8, 2/3, 5/6, 1/3, half, 1/6, 1/8, 5/8, 1/5, and 1/4. For Kakuma, I'm just going to read the magic number if you want to pause and look at the final puzzle, but the final answer is 22. And for Equato, your blanks are 9, 1, 6, 7, and 2, 3, 8, and 4, 9, and 5. All right, boys and girls, sorry for the confusion. Have a good day.